10, example sum 3.45. If alpha and beta are the roots of this equation x square plus 7x plus 10, find the value of a 6 Roman number is given. Let's see one by one, right? First, a solution. First, we want to find out what is the sum of the root and the product of the root, right? I take this equation x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in the place of a is equal to 1, in the place of b is equal to 7, in the place of c is equal to 10, right? Now we want to find out what is the sum of the root. Here two roots is alpha and beta are the two roots. We want to find sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta is the sum of the root. So minus b by a is the formula. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is equal to, here we have formula minus b value is 7 divided by a is equal to 1, that is equal to minus 7, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7. Then product of the root, alpha into beta is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square, c by a is equal to, what is the constant term? C is equal to 10 divided by 1 is nothing but alpha into beta is equal to 10. So here we know that sum of the root and product of the root. Sum of the root is 7 minus 7, product of the root is 10. Now we go through the first Roman number, alpha minus beta. Here alpha minus beta, we have the deduced identities a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. The same formula, if you take square root, the root and square will be cancelled. Here we get the square, right? That is, in the place of a and b, just apply alpha and beta. The same formula, root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha into beta. Now we apply that alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 and alpha into beta is 40. Then root of alpha plus beta is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into alpha into beta is 10, right? This term is equal to minus 7 into minus 7 is equal to plus 49, right? So 49 minus 40 is equal to root 9. Root 9 is nothing but 3. Perfect square number, right? So alpha minus beta is equal to 3. Next Roman number 2, we want to find out alpha square plus beta square. Here we have the formula alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That is the formula, right? In the place of alpha plus beta is minus 7 whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta is 10, right? So minus 7 into minus 7 is 49 minus 20 is equal to 29. So alpha square plus beta square value is equal to 29. Let's see the third Roman number we want to find out, that is alpha cube minus beta cube. Alpha cube minus beta cube, we have the formula, that is alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta, right? This is the formula. Here alpha minus beta we have already find out the value. Here alpha minus beta value is 3, just apply the value. So 3 cube plus 3 into alpha into beta is 10, and then alpha minus beta is equal to 3, right? In case, especially they are asking only the third Roman number only, means we have to apply alpha minus beta formula and then we have to find the value, right? Here we have already find out it, so directly we applied. So 3 cube is 27 plus 3 tens are 30, 30 into 3 is 90. So alpha cube minus beta cube is equal to sum of this number 117. So alpha cube minus beta cube value is equal to 117. Next we see the fourth Roman number. Fourth Roman number is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Here we have the formula, that is alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square, right? So in the place of alpha square plus beta square, we have already find out the value, that is alpha square plus beta square is equal to 29. So I apply the values directly here. 29 square minus 2 into alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha beta whole square, right? So 29 into 29, just multiply here. 29 into 29, 9 9s are 81, 28, 9 2s are 18, 261, and then 9 2s are 18, 8 remainder 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So 1 4 8, 841 minus 2 into alpha into beta is 10. 10 square is 100. So 841 minus 2 into 100 is equal to 841 minus 200 is equal to 641. That is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4's value is 641. Next we see the Roman number 5 is given alpha divided by beta plus beta divided by alpha. So here we want to take the LCM first. If you take LCM for this term, listen, first cross multiple this term alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta into beta, beta square divided by some multiple this term alpha into beta. That is cross multiplication. Multiple this term, cross multiple, and then denominator should be multiple, right? Alpha into beta. So alpha square plus beta square value என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் 29 divided by alpha into beta க்கு first கண்டுபிடிச்சோம், that is 10. So 29 divided by 10 directly we can apply. இல்ல சார் values இது alpha square beta square நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கல அப்படின்னா here we know the formula alpha square plus beta square formula என்ன இருக்கு alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha into beta. இதுலயும் வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் r. இந்த டைரக்டா நம்ம ஏற்கனவே கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிருக்கோம் alpha square plus beta square. இந்த கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிருக்கனால டைரக்டா அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டோம். இல்ல அந்த ரோமன் நம்பர் மட்டும் கேட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா we know the formula. இந்த ஃபார்முலால அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். இதுக்கு வேல்யூ என்ன வருதுன்னு பாருங்க. this is the value, this is find out it. இப்போ இது either or type, right? Alpha plus beta whole square ல what is alpha plus beta whole square minus 7 whole square minus 2 into 10 divided by 10. சரிங்களா? 49 minus 20 divided by 10 is equal to 29 divided by 10. Either we can use directly this method, we know the value of alpha square plus beta square. Otherwise we have the form, in the formula எடுத்து work out பண்ணிக்கலாம், right? Next Roman number 6. So first we have to cross multiple the term, denominator எடுத்து multiply பண்ணிக்கிறேன். alpha into beta cross multiplication பண்ணோம்னா alpha cube plus beta into beta square is beta cube, right? alpha cube plus beta cube இருக்கு into divide by alpha beta. நம்மளுக்கு alpha cube plus beta cube க்கு ஃபார்முலா என்ன தெரியும்னா alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. சரிங்களா? x plus y whole x cube plus y cube ஃபார்முலா, அந்த ஃபார்முலாவை இங்கே alpha beta எழுதிக்கிறோம், அவ்வளவுதான். சரிங்களா? So now apply the value. alpha plus beta க்கு என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்? alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 னு சொல்லிருந்தோமா? alpha into beta ன்றது 10. So அந்த ரெண்டு வேல்யூ எடுத்து இங்க அப்ளை பண்ணிடலாம். minus 7 whole cube minus 3 into 10 into minus 7 divided by 10. சரிங்களா? next 7 7s are 49 into 7. so நெகட்டிவ் இருக்கு, பவர் ஆட் நம்பராக இருந்துச்சுன்னா கண்டிப்பாக நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வரும்? நெகட்டிவ் சிம்பிளில் தான் வரும். minus 7 into minus 7 ப்ளஸ் ஆகிடும், அண்ட் தென் அகெயின்ஸ்ட் minus 7னால we get negative value. 7 9s are 56, 63, 3 remainder 6, 7 4s are 28 plus 6 343, 343 minus இங்கே ஒரு மைனஸ் இருக்குது, இங்கே ஒரு மைனஸ் இருக்குது, அதனால் ப்ளஸ் போட்டுக்கிறேன். 3 10s are 30, right? So minus into minus plus, 3 10s are 30, 30 into 7, right? 30 into 7 na 210, right? Divide by 10. இது ரெண்டு செப்பரேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இங்கே ஹையஸ்ட் நம்பர் இருக்குது, நெகட்டிவில் இருக்குது, அதனால் நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கக்கூடிய வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்கும்? மைனஸில் தான் இருக்கும். 3 4ல் 1 போச்சுன்னா 3, 3ல் 2 போச்சுன்னா 1 டிவைட் பை 10. ஸோ ஆல்ஃபா ஸ்கொயர் டிவைட் பை பீட்டா ப்ளஸ் பீட்டா ஸ்கொயர் டிவைட் பை ஆல்ஃபாவோட வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்குது அப்படின்னா 133 divided by 10. Thank you students.